Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to prevent the search engine from show a snippet and caching the page in search result. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are going to install plugin. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new. Then in search plugin write yoast SEO. So this is plugin we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation go to pages. So click on it. Now edit any page, so click on edit. Now scroll down, you see yoast SEO, and again scroll, you see advanced, so click on it, and then you see meta reports in advanced, so drop down select no snippet. Now click on update, page updated done, and now search engine don't show snippet of this page in search result. Now go to post, so click on it. Now click on edit. Now scroll down, you see yoast SEO, again scroll, you see advanced, so click on it, and then you see meta report advanced, drop down select no snippet. Now click on update. Now post update done, and search engine don't show snippet of this post in search result and prevent the caching of page and post. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.